Alright. Let's get going.
Yeah. I assume going experimentation all in, all out.
Yeah.
As is the usual.
Let's fucking wahoo.
I'm gonna open
Bees!
this. Guys, you all have to get the flashlights.
bees.
You all have to get flashlights. The back room! Hey, you guys forgot your flashlights. There's nothing across that gap, by the way. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. There's nothing over there.
Nothing downstairs.
There is nothing over there.
Door. Right now, I see the back room.
Guys, there's nothing over here. Hey, the back room.
There's a spider around, and I'm not sure where, but it is around.
Hi.
So I found a dead body.
Presumably Levi.
Yeah, oh yeah, the spider's right there too. Check it. I think we should leave. Oh, get up on the railing, get up on the railing.
Nah.
Gonna jump it?
Ah! I'm on so low health. It's not one of us and
Where's
it's not
she
my
going?
character. I have no idea.
Should I go to the fire exit and yell?
Honestly?
No.
No.
I'm gonna get bees. We're just
Let
gonna
her
leave.
die.
I don't think he made it.
I heard a squelch.
Shit.
Terrible first shift. 3 people have died. I know we said we were gonna abandon Leica, but she's also definitely somehow just died.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so should I just grab the apparatus then?
Oh, it's fucking Lies of P.
Liza P.
I heard fucking ominous whispering and I got scared, and no, it's fucking Lies of P.
Yo.
There's a spider again.
Another one?
Yup.
Wonderful.
Oh,
I'll have to look out this time.
it's there.
Yeah. It's there.
Let's leave.
Yeah. Away.
Yo guys, I found the back rooms. That's a jump you can make.
Yeah, oh, I have. I pushed. I think I've thrown my flashlight into the void.
Actually, you know what? Since there's no stakes, I'm gonna go in. Alright, have fun.
Automatically leaves from. It's not probably not.
So it's only 7.
Okay, so he just fell in a pit.
Hey, do you want to see a cool trick I figured out you can do? Run back. Try to search Jess, you can run backwards.
Oh, okay.
Hell
can run
yeah!
side to side
Hell
as well.
yeah!
That's
you
enough.
can.
You can sprint sideways too.
Yeah, you can sprint backwards and side to side.
Forward. That's the main entrance.
Wonderful. Cool.
Ah, well, I can
Across
see
the
the
jump.
fire exit from here.
Yeah.
Hey, the back rooms.
Oh, it's fucking Lies of P again.
Yo, I can't escape it, neither can you.
You guys, I found the back rooms.
Right down there.
Apparatus room.
I don't know if you can you kill them?
I think I made it angry. No, that's
It
definitely.
started making noises.
It started
I
making
think something-
noises and it's going faster.
Jess, if you want me to get you to the apparatus,
What the fuck? Why
Let's
did you do
just
that?
leave.
I'll try and guide you out.
Fucking bastards.
Behind, it seems there's a forest guardian already, which is...
Then again, it is like...
No way
Right.
there's a fucking forest guardian at 2 PM.
I'll just take the most valuable
Yeah.
stuff, trying to get to the ship.
We're fine. Coming back from the fire exits, though, we won't be fine. Wait, what the...
There's a forest guardian at 2 PM. It's all about fucking line of sight.
Hello.
This is everything. If you want, you can take one of these 2 items.
I'll grab that. Right, we could've like... yeah.
Just remember Grandma's footsteps. Red light, green light. New creature data center terminal.
That'll be it.
There's still some
Everyone
more
made it.
stuff down
Everyone
at
made
the
it. Everyone
area,
made it.
But
Not worth-
I don't think we
It's not
can
worth it.
necessarily get it.
We're getting the fuck out of here is what we're doing. Yeah. And I still haven't died.
Walkie on. Make sure your walkies are on. Walkies on, guys.
Walkie on.
Walkie on.
Walkie on.
You don't have one, shut up. I
Apparatus.
found the apparatus room.
Yep. We are leaving. Grab the apparatus.
Cool.
We're missing someone.
Are we?
Oh yeah, right.
Oh.
Like is dead.
Oh yeah, well
Like
that's
is
just like is dead. Yeah.
Yes, pit.
Gotta love the pits.
dead. About to be like or something.
Lies of pit.
Lies of Pit.
No, I heard fucking Alice dog right before he left.
Like the one from Kid Icarus.
Sure.
Only pit I know, boss.
Hole!
400 out of...
Oh well, yeah, but those can't lie.
Fuck.
They're bound to truth.
That's not true. Have you
wanna
heard
go-
of the Viet Cong?
Wait, yeah. Oh, are you implying that the Big Kong is that? Are you implying that that's the fault of the holes themselves?
They definitely lied about not being holes.
Alright. Someone jumped off the edge too early and died.
Oh,
Fucking
fuck.
dumbass.
Was it like it?
This cost us a lot of shit.
Again?
God damn it.
I'll check the... Let's see. Try that.
Oh hey,
We already got
motherfucker.
267. How to survive? Alright, 1 second. Yeah, we already got enough. We already got enough. That's
You
already
know,
enough.
we have... Oh, that's Exacxes. We have Exacxes. Fucking screenshot this shit.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
1 sec. Hold on.
Hello.
Alright.
Worked. Cool.
Why do we leave the keys upon the floor? You go
Alright,
create
so,
another door. You
I
want?
have to invite.
Experimentation is rainy, so we could go to assurance, or we could play quicksand bingo.
Yeah, rainy
I'm
is
good at
fine.
quicksand. I can see the texture.
Smooth. Oh yeah, don't.
Otherwise, you'll go into quicksand
I guess
and
I'll
there'll
stay
be
behind,
3 deaths in
as
a
usual.
Yeah, that was like, that was 20
Quick
seconds.
walkie and flashlight if you can.
Yeah,
See all
there's
these
like,
pools?
yeah.
Cannon would like
There's
to bring a
quicksand
walkie
right
and
there.
flashlight.
Yeah, okay, this is more visible than.
Than last time. Yeah.
Just don't die, it's that easy.
There's some right by the ladder.
Yeah, that sucks. Simply do not fall in it.
Just don't go in it. That was a door.
Yeah, I know.
Locked door is. I'm just. It's
Closet.
it's just where the fire exit is.
That is a bit of shit.
Okay, well I've got a tattered metal sheet. Hi.
I have an egg beater. Hi.
Oh, I love a
I'm
good
going back
tattered
in.
metal sheet.
I love the smell of tattered metal sheet in the morning.
Oh yeah, when I wake up I love to have a cup of tea with my tattered metal sheet in the morning.
Every day I wake up and I eat a tattered metal sheet. Oh! Very nice.
I got a cash register.
I also love the smell of tattered metal sheets. I just found one.
Oh yeah.
We were a band,
Ooh,
we'd
it makes
definitely be the
noises.
tattered metal sheets.
Oh yeah, tattered metal sheets.
No, this way.
Hi.
Hi, tattered metal
I got one
sheet.
dinner.
Hell yeah! We agreed that the fucking tattered metal sheet gang.
Now I can build a tesseract. Wait, I know I
I
can
have
probably
three. I have three
Oh yeah,
big
that's
bolts.
Yeah, this is where apparatus is. Hold on. So... All is well in the world.
Peace
Right.
and
Oh,
love
yeah,
on
apparatus.
peace and love on moon experimentation. Anyway, check this shit out. Big bolt. Big bolt.
Oh, big
bolt.
Hell yeah. We have all items. We cleared shop.
We cleared shop,
shit,
baby.
nice.
Fucking nice. Hang on. I got an
Grabbing
insight
charge
from my out of state. I have acquired an insight, and that's out of the three
Spoodle,
Brits here.
Spoodle.
Spoodle sounds the most
Make
like
sure
a
you
Beatle.
charge your walkie that you have.
What? The most
there's
like a
horrible
beetle?
goo
Yeah,
right
make
next to
Spoodle,
shit,
make
so-
sure
Yeah.
it's charged.
The most fuck off.
Walkie on.
What does being like a beetle mean? Sounding like one.
Yo guys, I found the back rooms. There's nothing
Hey,
here.
is that the back
Pod
rooms?
somewhere.
There's nothing
Back
here.
rooms. No, back rooms.
We got 9 objects.
Hey, there's quicksand here.
No, there isn't.
We don't...
Oh,
It's a
never
shadow.
mind. My stupid ass couldn't.
Spoodle, should I open I1? I'm gonna do it.
Am I currently facing up?
I've got a
Yeah,
sign,
okay,
I
I'm gonna
can
try
track
and get
it.
past it.
Like some big bait for violence required.
Nothing in the room.
Hang on, wait. I'll be your professional bait.
Numbers outside.
Like,
I don't really have anything
duty.
else to do, so I'm just like coming along on.
A patriotic duty.
As I said, 1 scrap. Right
Here.
I want to see how the Southwestern Rail. Oh,
There's the thumper.
Keys I dropped about you.
I'm gonna like bait the horrible goo this way. Get out.
Thumper is dead.
Yeah.
Only
Oh,
take about
but-
4 hits to kill at the moment.
Yeah. Now it's gonna be a lot harder to avoid getting hit by one. Oh, CG just got
I think I like
Steve
halfway
Beck-
forgot that I was playing a game when I saw the number.
Oh, the goo is
Yeah,
just
she got
at
gooed
the entrance.
instantly.
Huh?
Yep.
Let me know if Jess dies. There's more scrapping ahead of you. Soda! Two small red dots, I think they might just be launching bugs though.
There is a bracken in the building, and I've been. Okay, where is it? Where's my time? Thank you. Kill it. And then I'll take.
Hey!
All right, there is a bracken.
grab
there is
your
a
walkie.
bracken nearby.
Okay, let's get out of here then.
Oh, it was literally right there. It was literally right there.
I saw it.
Oh, okay. He's here.
You made it angry. You made it angry.
I didn't. I just looked at it. Fuck.
I'll take the
we
blame
can't
for
go
that
back
one.
in.
I think I made it angry.
We can't go back in.
Lorax look-alike.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I don't think the Forest Keeper looked that much like the Lorax.
what-
He's gonna end up in it, standing here.
Pull
unless
the
we're
lever,
being silly.
Gronk.
I can't.
It's 193 seconds of cooldown.
Yes.
It
Could
doesn't.
also possibly lose us 20% of our money.
It doesn't. It doesn't.
Yeah,
we have zero money
definitely
though.
would
We have zero money.
20% of $0 is $0. That's everything we have.
Yeah, that's everything we have.
wow.
Like. Anyways.
Let's go! Packed metal sheet. What a horrible sound.
Fucking location. Big room!
Yes,
fucking
big room. That's where I was trying to make
Oh,
you.
big room.
Couldn't remember.
Big room, big stuff, eh? You know what they say about big rooms? Big money.
Big, but there's like no loot in here.
Yo, boy!
There's like
hey!
no. But guess what though?
Reunion!
Tattered metal sheet.
Yeah! Yeehaw!
The king. I also think I heard my own. No. I also think I heard my own voice at one point or another, which means that there's probably a horrible monster.
Could just
Or
be a
probably-
stairway.
Yeah, there's probably a moist.
There's a moist.
Yeah.
Moist! Oh, baby! Oh,
Why did
baby!
you turn into an old-timey prospector?
I don't know!
There's fuck all. I love video
What's
games
wrong
so
with
much.
me? Boss, I think you gotta put me down!
You know, boy.
I can't even do that. I don't have my fucking shovel.
Hello.
Hello.
Patched metal sheet.
Teleport me, please. Teleport me. Teleport me. Teleport me. Teleport me. Can I have a teleport? Teleport, please. 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 I'm spinning. I'm spinning, guys. Teleport. Look at the radar. Please look at the radar. Guys, please. I'll whack up my fucking DPI. Look, I'm spinning. I'm spinning so much. Please. Please teleport me. Please, 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 please.
But yeah, if one of you.
Took you long enough.
Damn, no one died. I didn't see or hear a
Oh,
single
shit, a
monster
snap
until
fleet.
that there. Yeah, I got teleported out with one on my head.
Oh, I see you've got a moustache and a monocle. That's fantastic.
I love that.
Well, you see, I've got a monocle and glasses. It's like 3 monocles because I'm that
You've got,
fancy.
Instead of 4 eyes, you get called 5 eyes.
Screenshotted that because it is wonderful and the send it mechanism.
Oh yes, I do look splendid. Master of the posh flat voice. that is.
Absolutely smashing.
So I'm going to Google where do buy buy a yacht. Now it says it. Oh, it doesn't think I have the money.
Collectively, we have no money.
In terms of money, we have no money.
We have no money.
I don't even need these 3 spectacles. I don't need to see no price tag, baby.
Why are you fucking posh twat Dracula Flo?
Alright, suit colors, everyone.
It folds.
Like you gotta change your suit color.
Yeah, I got
Unless you don't want
yeah,
to.
that it doesn't, like, remain.
Why would you say posh Dracula when you could say Twacula?
It's just Dracula.
No, that's what you call twink.
Twink Dracula?
Yeah, that makes
No,
sense usually, 'cause that's what people call
Twinkula sounds way better, I think.
I'm not
Hello.
affiliated
Yeah,
with Twinkula.
Yeah,
Well, I'm in the back of my Twacula.
Okay. Around 500 quota, alright.
I hope you're recording this, because this is fucking brilliant.
This entire bit is
Alright.
staying in.
Alright, guys.
What is happening?
Sure not to
Guys,
look at
we're going
Dracula. He
X.
doesn't like
We're
it when
going
he sees
X.
his
Foggy,
face.
but we're going X. Guys, ready?
As opposed to the vampiric president of the US.
what?
I almost
Dracula.
spit out my fucking drink.
Jazz, you will let me land.
I
We
can't
can
hear
tell you what the
anything.
Dracula does, but it's a bit crass.
Did you fucking say Dracula?
The ejaculate.
What?
Why so vampiric?
Alright, I'm gonna put all the
I cannot
scrap
wait
back.
for
You guys in
mimic
the
voices.
Marley, did you say ejacular flow?
I said.
Yeah, much better watch out for ejacular.
No, I tell you what.
Alright, let's go.
I mean,
No.
yeah,
different.
ejacula is not like the worst kind of acula.
I'm on TC to Viking and smoking on Scooby-Doo dick.
Sure shit, I hear you.
Follow the Dracula flow.
Oh, I can see you. Does anyone have a key?
Oh yes, you could say I go with the flow. Oh.
This is just reminding me of a horrible rap I will need to link in chat.
Jess. You know, I'm a go with the flow type person.
I see.
Yes. That was the dead end.
Ooh, a key!
Flow doesn't go there. Ooh, a key, that's exactly what Molly needed.
If only I could remember where she was.
Yeah, well, I would remind you, but after you said you forgot, I forgot as well.
I got a cookie mold pan though, so.
A fucking what?
A cookie mold pan. Wait, is it actual cookie? No. It's like Christmas biscuits.
Oh, I thought you said a cookie mole panda. You're too far away, I couldn't hear what you said.
I mean, I'd love to get one of those.
It's like one of those prizes you get at a carnival, you don't really know what animal it is.
It's like half mole, half panda.
And also a cookie.
And also a cookie.
Apparatus room here.
Have you ever wanted to pet a mole and a panda, but also wanted to eat a cookie? Well, now you can!
Another key.
Hey, apparatus.
Hey.
Don't bother with the locked door because it doesn't lead to anything.
You've got more keys than a security guard in a location where the animatronics get up.
This feels like it could be some sort of reference to something.
Should we take it?
Should
we take it, you think?
Probably not.
Alright.
Okay, it would be funny.
Don't worry, I'm
Why
British,
didn't
I'm
you
used
yell
to
at
taking important things and then leaving. Remember,
Hey,
the British
take
are
an
all
entrance.
about taking important things and running away. Oh, I thought you just died.
Oh god!
Bye. If you're spectating, please sorry, I think I pushed you over the edge.
On the return jump, I moved up the jump over the rail.
Oh, we hope
You are the third person to die. Wait, was that pit right by the main
Is that the
entrance?
same
Who
pit?
screamed?
Yeah.
That's the same.
Right by the main
It's the
entrance,
same
yeah.
pit I died to.
and Squid also died by fall, I think. I only saw their body at the bottom of the pit.
I think Squid died because they were snare fleet and then fell.
No, there was no sniffling involved.
No, wait,
at all.
that's
Everyone
weird,
just
we heard
fucking
them
died to the
scream.
same pit.
We died to the same pit, all three of us.
Wow.
Jess, I'm sorry I pushed you.
And no
Streak
snare fleet was
gone.
involved. All of us died
Streak
completely
gone.
plain to the same pit.
Streak ended.
I figured out how to get him stopped.
Oh, hey.
Hey,
Immediate fire exit moment.
door open. And this door is also locked.
Oh, what the fuck is... Oh, and there was nothing.
There's a goo over there.
Oh.
Yeah, you see what I mean?
Oh, you're alive.
Why does everyone keep thinking I'm dead?
Well, because I
Oh,
heard
there's
you
two of
scream.
them. Oh, there's two of them right there.
Oh shit! Double goo moment.
Yeah, it's double goo.
That's locked.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna stare at it aggressively until whoever's back. I think the point does still just opens it. Oh. I didn't even...
Oh, that was me with the
He
light.
fucking... You locked me in!
Oh god,
Wait, so
the
when you
goos
turn
are
the power
coming!
over,
No!
you just- Oh, no!
No!
You locked me in the security door! You locked... When
No,
you
I'll
opened
get
it,
you out,
I
I'll get you
locked
out,
it
I'll get you
on,
out.
And then you turn it back on.
Get it.
Okay, I'm out.
Alright.
You can turn the lights back on.
No, not really. No.
Oh god.
I'm blocked by the goo.
We could retreat further into the thing, past the security door.
Yeah.
Oh.
But we can't really... Oh god, I'm being teleported.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Cut me off. I'm by a fire exit. I'll be back.
Oh, okay, he did.
Alright.
Did you guys take out the apparatus?
No.
Yeah, don't. If I see a security door with something behind it,
And we'll never know what he does when he sees the security door with something behind it. Presumably he... Again? Again? Oh, I'm here, so... I'm here, so the fire exit is... It's beyond the goo, isn't it?
No, look, it's across the jump though, which he has to make in order to get to the main entrance.
Well, there's that mod working for the first time.
you missed.
so we're gonna-
I forgot to grab a walkie, by the way.
Someone
I
help
should have.
that.
I'm gonna grab them. I'm
Yeah.
gonna grab them. Okay.
Yeah, okay, I'm at the door, I'm ready to close it.
Oh, they're right there!
Yeah, don't worry, I've got the door.
No, I went to go take something to the kitchen. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Ah! Take off! Take off! Take off!
Take off. Okay. Leaving.
Okay, take it. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was a massacre!
Hi. You have to be careful with these.
Yeah, no, I thought I was being careful, and then they didn't take off immediately. Like, I was yelling take off while I was still outside the door.
The bees.
I hit the take off button and then died anyway.
You want to know the chaos though? The chaos was that the bees went inside before you did.
Yeah.
So
I don't know
figured,
why
okay,
they
I'll
did that.
close the door, and then as it turns
So,
out, you're
yeah,
still outside.
I fucking died after successfully pulling the take off button. I died. We got 2.25 in the chip. That's insane.
You vibing?
Yeah, no, that's
Metal
mad.
sheet. Oh.
Yeah.
There's bottles back in
sheets
the-
are splendid, my lord.
Oh yeah, there's bottles.
The return of Brody. Yo!
The return of sex.
We can play chicken.
Is that like
What?
the only use for ladders? Ah,
We're playing.
I'm not
We're playing
sitting in
ladder
that fucking
chicken.
column.
The chicken. Hey.
Whoa!
What? In the
Fuck yes. 5. What? Already? I mean, that must have been a teleport, but still. Do you know how to get out?
Yeah, hold on, follow me.
'Cause I have 3 bits.
Right this way,
I have
possibly.
3 bits of scrap.
I just saw Arkley fail jump, I think.
Like, nobody else managed to
Okay,
move
so
us. We
yeah,
all had
you
to
were
go
right.
through the main
Arkley fell in the pit. What happened to Vera?
Dunno, she seems to just fall off the face of the earth at one point or another.
My walkie is on, by the way.
We've got another pit now.
Already?
Yeah, it's brutal.
I thought Riddle say it was the Southwestern Railway because he said one thing and didn't respond. As it turns out, no, he just died immediately.
Yep.
Whoa! Anything around there? No.
Oh, what the fuck? I think I'm actually locked in.
Yeah, I think I know the other side of the door you're currently on.
Yeah, I'm locked in here.
Go.
I'm gonna. Oh, well, not completely. There's a fire exit. I can leave the.
Apparently there are 2 fire exits. What the fuck happened to
She
Vera?
got Bracken, there's a Bracken in there.
Oh, let's keep that locked forever.
I know for a fact that I've done one because I was looking at it when it said that.
Tattered metal sheet. Wait.
I know that was blinded, but that jump scared the shit out of me.
Got a key.
Oi, co-workers.
Huh?
Let's just keep going this way.
He said.
Where are you guys?
Yes.
I found a tattered metal sheet.
Hey!
Hey!
Now we're gaming.
That's the metal sheet, gang.
Hey!
I'm part of it. It's the back rooms also.
Oh god! It's all the jokes. We got the tattle metal sheet. We got the back rooms. There was a getter.
There could have been a Southwestern Railway.
That's the new bit.
I quite like.
21 Southwestern Railway to London Waterloo has been delayed by 6 hours.
Because we hate you.
We hate you and our staff are on strike because we do not pay them more than we give fucks, which is none.
This Southwestern Railway service to Wimsleyton was delayed by 5 hours.
This train terminates you.
Oh dear. Okay, so I think the only way that goes anywhere is this way.
Oh, there's a room.
Eagle Company Railway service to Wimbledon has been delayed by 6 days.
Oh, I got 2 things. I'm gonna dump them inside.
Yeah,
This Southwestern Railway service. Just not get political on camera.
Well, you were off camera because I was
piss!
depositing things.
Right, okay, well I think I'm gonna have to either go fire
Jess, point
exit
the
or
camera
go...
at me for a sec. Vote for George W. Bush this election. He may be dead, but his spirit's still with us.
George W. Bush is not dead. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna George W.
George H.
Russell the
W.
shit-
Bush, I think, is dead, but George regular W. Bush is unfortunately still alive.
No, he's dead now, thanks to me.
we're just gonna, like, George W. Bustle this shit back, right?
I'm gonna George W. Burst.
This shit is... Fuck off.
This shit George W. Burst. I know that's what you were gonna say, but I stole it.
Ligma George W. Bald.
That was very good.
I think that's what I heard.
Hi. You know, the W in George W. Bush stands for Western Railway. It's just George Western Railway.
We have so many new jokes already, this is brilliant.
This is... I
Squid
love
died
it
for-
here.
Yeah, we saw her go. We saw her
Raccoon's
get
easy to
Barack
deal with,
Obama.
remember. If you know how to deal with it.
Obama killed her.
I got so
not George.
scared.
Jorge
George
WB! No, not Adam Sandler. No, wait, Adam Sand.
Okay.
I also did note that 2 people died.
Oh, 3 people died.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it's just me, you, and Blaine dead up.
What happened? I mean, I saw blood
so
there where I was
me-
there. I assumed that was someone
Me
getting
and Spoodle
bracketed.
died, or me, Laika and Spoodle spawned like right next to each other, and a Thumper was there, and I jumped and got stuck just out of reach of the Thumper while the other 2 died. I wasn't scared only because I was
I'm
stuck.
pressing button. I'm pressing
I'm not doing that, man.
Chaos was that the
Alright. Have it your way.
Not happening.
There was just that baboon hawk just spoke in your voice.
Oh.
I did not hear it, sadly.
It's client
I think
side,
it's
it
like,
must be, yeah.
yeah, it's client side.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Yeah, no,
There you
that
go.
was
I was-
legitimately really scary.
Got it. Yeah.
Oh my god. What's happening on my screen is really fun.
Open. It's open.
It's all the single eye.
On my
that's a
screen,
metal
I just
sheet.
have my, I'm holding the metal sheet, I'm just waving.
Yeah, no, I'm
Flapping
seeing
it.
that.
Oh, you're not seeing that, or you are seeing that?
I am.
Yeah. It's flapping.
Oh yeah. Look at me go. Look at me fucking go. And thing is, when I switch away and switch back, it's still doing it.
Your hard work is invaluable to the company.
Incredible.
265.
That's perfect. Exactly. Okay.
Wait, we're getting exactsies? Yeah. Holy shit, nice. That's a great shot where we
Alright,
Exacties, we're getting exacties.
I'm taking a screenshot of that shit once it pops up.
Okay, now from here, we have this very important note here.
Oh yeah.
What?
Sour Skittles are like the kind you wouldn't expect to be actually sour, but like they are.
Smoking on that sour Skittle pack. Police brutality. I love it. Oh, we love Brody. Brody dance. Oh, now it just looks like
Hey, look, it's a pink
trying to do a
suit.
ritual.
It's a pink.
Like it says, my white ass is making a decadent cheese and ham sandwich.
Yeah. And my white ass was making a
I will never eat ham in a
Fantastic
sandwich in my
timing.
life.
I will never eat ham.
I will never eat.
Down.
I will never.
I will.
I will.
So I think there might be a ghost girl, and I think she might be on my ass already.
Can you see a girl?
Not yet.
Then she's not on your ass.
That's a spider.
Oh shit, that's a spider! There's a spider in here.
Oh yeah, we saw.
It's
On the schmoo.
It's
I'm terrified right now.
yeah, it's chasing you.
Ah!
Nothing here. Unbelievable.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Nothing here.
I'm gonna try to get teleported out because I'm low on health. Okay, I have an item by the way. It's a big.
Exactly, that's why I think
That's
you're a
the
fucking
coil
liar.
head.
Oh, hello, darling. Watch out for the webs.
Woo!
Hello, chap. Come around this corner, hug the corner. Oh shoot! That's not what I thought.
Goodbye!
Well, that's a dead person. Oh, we're on Titan. I didn't even know.
Wait, so what did you die of?
Spider.
Huh?
Spider.
Hello?
Ah.
Can anyone hear me? I need help.
Oh!
I think that's a locked door.
Little help.
I don't think so, because I think he entered through it.
Yeah, but coil heads, I'm
Anybody?
pretty sure can open doors. So
Yeah, huh.
So the fact that it's not been opened yet.
I'm not a mouse, if you're wondering. But help would be really nice.
Yeah, the coil head should absolutely have killed him if the door's not locked.
Like really, really nice.
Oh, yeah, I can see that shot.
Wait. Oh, okay, no, he knows the spinning. Okay.
Are they looking at him?
Oh!
I think I just heard it fucking mimic your voice.
Jazz is back, I think. No, Jazz is dead.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh my god, is that a fucking jester?
Where? I didn't see one.
That's Foodle, it just walked past the Jack in the Box.
Yeah, I know.
Oh god, there. Oh my god, he's
There's
gonna
a spider
die.
and a jester. There's a coil head on the other side of that door.
He's so fucking dead.
It probably is.
Oh my god.
The coil head just opened the door, and the jester is winding.
Oh, okay, okay. Holy, he's gonna make
Oh
it.
god, you're
Holy
it's
fucking
gonna-
hell, I've been asking for help for fucking 2 minutes,
There was
lads.
a
Go.
Squid's dead, by the way.
Dead to what? I will not do that.
How you doing?
That
That's not how
you
it
are.
works.
What
What the hell?
Leica has learned to fly
You're gonna get Embers back in.
What the hell?
to the torture labyrinth.
Hooray!
Fuck. Okay, I'm not dead yet.
Oh my god, there are 4 things in this room.
Oh, okay. Oh, bracket! Bracket! There's a bracket here.
Ah!
Oh, god damn it.
There's a what the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh my god.
There's also a coil head.
Oh, great. I think I'm hearing a thumper.
There's absolutely a thumper.
Yeah. Oh, yep, I can hear the coil head from here. Corner. I'm like totally fucked. I'm pretty sure the thumper is in the only direction I can go to it. Oh. Oh, that's awful.
Shit.
69.
Whoa!
Yeah. reality. I love it.
Oh my god! I hear a goo too. Oh, it's approaching! Come on! Oh my god, I'm dead in the goo.
Stay away from me!
I'm dead in the goo, I'm dead in the goo!
Crap gone.
I'm gonna be real, guys. There was no way I was getting out of there. I was being chased by that coil head. It starts backing me into a corner, and then it says in Spoodle's fucking posh voice, "Police brutality." I love it.
Amazing.
Oh god!
Oh,
Oh shit! Get me up! I hear Arkley talking, and I think there was two things, so which means it probably is him. Kraken. Oh. No, you aren't! You bastard! You... Anyway, I gotta stop the recording.
Enough.